In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your Figma files to your desktop. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right into it. First things first, you need to go to the Figma file that you want to save. This is the document you've been working on, whether it's a design, a prototype, or any other project. Just make sure you have it open and ready to go. Once you're in your Figma file, look to the top left corner of the screen where you'll see the Figma icon. It's a stylized logo that's quite recognizable. Click on that icon. This will open up a drop-down menu with various options. Next, from this menu, you're going to want to locate the word File. Click on it and you'll find more options appear. Now, pay close attention here because you'll need to select Save Local Copy. This will allow you to download your project directly to your desktop. When you click on Save Local Copy, a download process will initiate right away. You might see a little progress bar indicating that your file is downloading. Depending on the size of the file and your internet connection, this might take a moment. You want to keep an eye on this indicator to know when it's fully downloaded. Once the download has completed, you can find your file in your Downloads folder unless you've set a different download location. From there, you can move it anywhere on your desktop or into another folder of your choice. And there you have it. You've successfully saved your Figma file to your desktop. This is a great way to ensure you have a backup of your work or to access your designs offline. If you need to repeat this process for various files, just follow the same steps every time. Open each Figma file, click on the icon in the upper left, select File, and then look for Save Local Copy. It's quite simple and an essential skill for any designer working with Figma. Remember, always keep an organized structure on your desktop to easily find your saved designs later. You could create folders for different projects or clients. This way, your workspace remains tidy and efficient. And that wraps up today's tutorial on how to save your Figma files to your desktop. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this in the future. If you have any questions